Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming versions and saving anything important. This prevents data loss. Once done, close Roblox, browsers, overlays, and VPNs, then open Task Manager and end any processes that might collide. Next, run the Account Manager as administrator to test permission issues. Make sure Windows and Roblox are updated to the latest builds. Finally, collect a simple log or screenshot of the error so you have details if you need to escalate. Once the basics are out of the way, clear caches and temp folders to remove corrupt files that cause crashes. Run System File Checker and DISM to fix Windows components and repair or reinstall. NET and Visual C++ redistributables because Account Manager depends on them. Then uninstall the Account Manager, reboot to flush locks, and perform a clean installation from the latest installer. Make sure drivers, especially GPU, are current so rendering or compatibility bugs don't reintroduce the crash. You finish by testing the full login flow and reproducing the issue step by step so you confirm the fix. If the crash persists, boot Windows into safe mode with networking and retest. This isolates driver and third-party conflicts. When nothing helps, gather logs, timestamps, and exact steps, then contact Roblox support or the tool's developer. Key troubleshooting tip: try a different Windows user profile or a clean virtual machine to see if the problem is local to your profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.